Okay, welcome back to Waterhouse Forde. This weekend we've not done any tractor videos. Instead we spent the weekend painting the walls and the ceiling of the workshop to try to improve the working environment, to help with lighting, but also to make it a better environment for us to work in, and hopefully to help you, the viewer, have a better experience as well. So this is what we've been working on. All the walls have been painted. We've also done the ceilings, and obviously to protect the tractor we covered it in a little tarpaulin. So what follows is just a couple of snapshots taken during the process, so you can see the before and after, and hopefully you can see what an improvement's been made. And of course you can also see we've only done this half of the workshop, which is where most of the filming takes place. Obviously the other half is now a little bit cluttered and a little bit disorganized, because obviously we had to clear this area. So we'll get it all back together probably next weekend, and we'll get back to doing our normal videos. Hope you enjoy it. What follows now is a couple of, as I said, a couple of stills, just showing you the process, and we look forward to seeing you again.